guys, so ngayon, gawa tayo ng TED Talk. Ang topic natin is Rethinking the Good Life, a Global Perspective. So, ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to ask a fundamental question. Are we as humankind living a good life? We often assume that progress and prosperity are the same as happiness and fulfillment. But is that really the case? Let's take a step back and look at the global perspective. The metrics of success. We often measure success by metrics like GDP growth rate, life expectancy, and literacy rates. And by these metrics, it seems like we're doing great. Global poverty rates have declined, and more people have access to education and healthcare than ever before. Global poverty rates. But that's really the whole story. The paradox progress and happiness index. Despite our progress, many of us feeling unhappy, unfulfilled, and disconnect. In fact, studies have shown that one's basic needs are met. Additional, wealth and material possessions do not necessarily lead to greater happiness. Social comparison. We're constantly comparing ourselves to others, feeling like we're not good enough and striving for more. This is the paradox of progress. The more we achieve, the more we feel like we are falling behind. Redefining the good life. So what does it mean to live a good life? The ancient Greek has concept called eudaimonic happiness, which is about living a life of purpose, meaning, and fulfillment. Um, Global values. When we look at global values, we see that people across cultures and countries value things like relationships, community, and sense of belonging. These are the things that brings us joy and fulfillment. A new metric success. Gross national happiness. What if we started measuring success not just a GDP, but by gross national happiness? What if we prioritize well-being, social connections, and environmental sustainability alongside economic growth? The future we want. This is the future we want. A future where everyone has the opportunity to live a good life, a life of purpose, meaning, and fulfillment. So, are we living a good life? The answer is complex. We made tremendous progress, but we also lost sight of what truly matters. It's time for us to rethink our values, our properties, our priorities, and our metrics for success. Let's work together to create a world where everyone can live a good life. So, ito natatapos ang TED Talk. So, ang title ulit is, ng tinalakay ko is, Rethinking the Good Life and Global Perspective. Thank you. Bye-bye.